Hello guys, welcome to this channel, and today in this video I'll teach you how to create a PowerPoint file document from OneDrive. So first, what you want to do, you're gonna tap the plus button over here, and then here you'll see create a PowerPoint presentation. Tap it, and in case you don't have the application, you'll have to download it, install. Then you go back once again, create a PowerPoint presentation, and then you name it that you want it. I'm just gonna name it presentation. Creating document, opening. And yeah, that's it. Alright, that's it for the video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.